Have you ever pondered the physical manifestations of death? It's a question that might seem morbid, yet it's a reality we all must confront. The finality of life is marked by certain physical signs, each one telling a story in the grand tapestry of existence. These signs, as fascinating as they are inevitable, paint a picture of life's last chapter. They bring us face to face with the undeniable truth of our mortality. One such sign, often overlooked but deeply intriguing, is livor mortis. You may wonder, what is livor mortis? Well, let's break it down. The term livor mortis originates from Latin, where liver translates to bluish color, and mortis means of death. So in essence, it refers to the bluish color of death. But what does this really mean? Imagine the human body as a complex network of highways, with blood as the vehicles traveling these routes. As long as the heart, our traffic controller, is functioning, it keeps the blood moving, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of the body. But what happens when this controller stops working? Like abandoned cars, the blood stops moving and starts to settle. This settling of blood in the lower part of the body post-death is what we call livor mortis. It results in a purplish-red discoloration of the skin, a clear and visible sign of this phenomenon. But when does this start, you ask? It's not immediate. Livor mortis begins somewhere between 20 minutes to 3 hours after death. However, it doesn't reach its peak visibility instantly. It takes about 12 hours for livor mortis to become maximally visible. Now, an interesting fact about livor mortis is that it doesn't occur uniformly throughout the body. The pattern of this discoloration is influenced by the position of the body at the time of death. For instance, if a person dies lying on their back, the blood will settle along the backside of their body, causing the skin there to exhibit this characteristic purplish-red hue. Why does this happen? Well, it's simply gravity at work. The blood follows the path of least resistance, flowing to the parts of the body closest to the ground. So to wrap it all up, livor mortis is a natural post-death process. It's the body's way of continuing circulation even when the heart has stopped beating. It's an eerie yet fascinating reminder of our mortality and the laws of nature that govern us, even in death. Essentially, livor mortis is the body's final attempt at circulation, even after the heart has stopped beating. Now, why do we care about livor mortis, you might wonder? Well, it's because livor mortis is a crucial tool for forensic scientists. It's like a timekeeper of death, helping determine when a person passed away with quite a bit of accuracy. Imagine a clock, but instead of hands and numbers, it's the human body and the process of livor mortis. Within 2 hours of death, livor mortis begins. It's fully developed by 12 hours and can help pinpoint the time of death within this window. But the significance of livor mortis doesn't stop there. It also provides vital clues if a body has been moved after death. The fixed purplish-red discoloration should align with gravity. If it doesn't, it's a telltale sign that the body was tampered with. And let's not forget its role in a post-mortem examination. It's a key player in the orchestra of death, along with rigor mortis and algor mortis. Together they compose a symphony of information that helps investigators piece together the puzzle of an unattended death. So, while it may sound grim, and let's face it, it is, livor mortis serves a greater purpose. It's a silent witness that speaks volumes about the circumstances surrounding death. So, livor mortis, while grim, provides us with invaluable insights into the circumstances surrounding death. Let's recap what we've learned about livor mortis. This intriguing phenomenon is essentially the pooling of blood in the lowest parts of the body after death, resulting from gravity. It begins to manifest about 2 to 4 hours after death, reaching its full expression within 6 to 12 hours. After about 12 hours, this discoloration of the skin becomes permanent and unalterable, which is a stage known as fixation. The appearance of livor mortis can vary, but it's typically a dark purplish color. It's not always just an eerie reminder of mortality. It also plays a critical role in forensic science. It can provide invaluable insights into the time and manner of death, helping investigators piece together the final moments of a deceased individual. Death, though a somber topic, is a part of life we cannot ignore. Understanding its physical manifestations like livor mortis helps us navigate its mysteries.